Dylan has eaten all his broccoli fritters. And how's the chicken? You like it? It's time to cook. I have all my ingredients laid out that I'm gonna be using for the recipes from the True Roots. I have chicken and sage, and then some broccoli fritters that are supposed to be kid friendly. I'm pairing it with some rice that I got going in the Instapot. And if you haven't checked out my other videos on the Instapot, there's a couple of videos that I put out for a challenge that I did using the Instapot, so check it out. And rice is one of them, so stay tuned guys for those. So let's get started. My boys are playing and I don't have a lot of time to get this dinner going, but let's see. Here are my ingredients all laid out for my recipe for today. We got the chicken, the sage, a bunch of garlic, and these are for the fritters. We got broccoli. This is gonna be super healthy for the boys. And also something that I've never used before, which is oat flour. I just picked it up, especially for this recipe. Here it is. This is I picked up the arrowhead. And we'll see how this works out. Maybe I'll use it for other recipes now that I have a bag for it. So I'm ready to get this recipe going. Okay, so here are my ingredients all getting mixed in for the sage and garlic chicken. And just a disclaimer, the recipe does call for like a bone-in chicken breast, but I didn't have that and I didn't have time to go to the store. So I used what I had, which is skinless chicken breast. So it'll take less time than the recipe calls for, but that's okay. But it is organic, so I'm gonna coat it and then put it in the oven. Okay, so my chicken is ready to go in the oven. Look how delicious that looks. And I'm put a parchment paper and I put a rack so that it can cook through and it's quicker. So that's the chicken going in the oven. So delicious. And these are all the veggies chopped up for the broccoli fritters. And yes, if you can hear, my son Dylan thinks he's musical and he's singing. I don't know why. So this is the mixture and this is the wet ingredients with that oat flour. So I'm gonna incorporate it together and then see how these fritters turn out. Here are some already prepared. I made some big ones for Marisa and I, and then the little ones for the boys. All done. The recipe from True Roots. We have the fritters and the sage chicken. I'm hungry and my boys can't wait to eat. They're going a little crazy. All right, let's see if these fritters the kids are approving of. What do you think, Logan? Logan has already ate like 4 of them. So they're yes. Blake, do you like the food?
I don't like this. I like this and this.
He doesn't like the color green, so we'll see.
I like my color of the socks of green, but I don't like these.
Dylan has eaten all his broccoli fritters. And how's the chicken? You like it? Logan, do you like the chicken? Yeah. And he doesn't like chicken and he liked the chicken. So good recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.